The blue hour can turn even a super ordinary street into a magical scene. All it takes is a few minutes and the world around you is going to take on drastically different colors. In this video, we're going to be covering what the blue hour is, when exactly it happens, as in what time of the day it actually takes place, and how we can use Zoner Studio to edit a photo taken at this time of day. So let's dive right in. The blue hour is a short period just before sunrise and after sunset, when the sun is already below the horizon, but the sky still holds a soft blue light. And this time only lasts a few of a dozen minutes, and the colors are soft, even, and beautifully cool. It's ideal when you're photographing cities, car lights, architecture, or landscape silhouettes. Now, first things first, when you actually go out and take shots during this time of day, make sure you get there early, as time is of the essence and colors are going to be changing rapidly. So a photo you might take now and then next photo you take just to say a few minutes later is going to be drastically different than the one you previously took. When you're in the city, look to combine the warm artificial lights and the cool blue sky. And then when you're outside somewhere in nature, make sure you grab silhouettes of trees, hills, and combine that with some bodies of water, as these two can work together beautifully, especially when you're reflecting water or you're reflecting the blue tones. Okay, and now let's take a look at how we can edit a photo like this in Zoner Studio. In the Develop module, I'm going to open a photo taken during the blue hour and start by cropping it slightly. This photo is a bit too bright and the blue tones aren't very strong yet, so I'm going to lower the exposure a little and to make it clear that the photo was taken in the evening. I'm also going to add a bit of clarity as well as contrast. Alright, that's better, but now the foreground still feels a bit too dark, so I'm going to slightly lift the shadows. Now, if you'd like us to edit one of your photos in one of our next videos, send us your pictures to video@zoner.com and you might be featured in the very next one. Let's jump right back in. Now, to give the photo that blue look that it should have during the blue hour, I'm going to move the white balance temperature slightly towards blue, and in color shift, I'm going to increase the saturation of the turquoise and blue colors. In split toning, I'm going to shift the lights towards blue to further emphasize the blue color of the sky. Finally, let's increase the saturation of the red color, because I think the contrast between the blue tones and this red scarf here is going to stand out that much more. So that was something about the blue hour. Let us know what you think in the comments below if you guys have experiences shooting during this time of day, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and give us a thumbs up even if you didn't like this video. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy shooting.